added extra bonus here. Frida just pulled this layout off the stool where it was drying from where I put extra glue and clamped it down and tubed this. I confiscated it, moved the layouts onto my desk. She then, you can hear her in the background, very grumpy. She then hopped onto my chair, onto my desk, and chewed this one, and now she's very cranky. Frida! Yes, you. Why are you being so naughty? And you can see Poppet's just like, oh God, she's back at it again. Frida! Why are you so cute, but so naughty? Why are you so cute, but so naughty at the same time? You comfy there, Pops? Just another typical day with the bunny dogs. Hey? Okay, bye from the bunnies. Bye. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Still eating, sorry. Oh, kisses. Kisses. That makes it slightly better. All right, bye from the bunnies. Bye.